Battle styles today on Pack Attack. Let's get right on to it. Let's make this a super short one. Why not, right? There's the code card. We're gonna get right on to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. No hubbub. We're gonna go for 30 seconds. How about that? Crawdaunt, Doublade, Cacturn, Scatterbug, Yamper, Lickitung, Zubat, Remoraid, Reverse Hollow Grumpig with sweet artwork. Make sure you're like and subscribed as we pull a ultra rare Mimikyu V. And who does not love a good Mimikyu? I know I love a good Mimikyu. Do you like a good Mimikyu? What's your favorite V card? Put it in the comments below. Make sure you like. We'll see you tomorrow.